This time, let's embark on a museum walk together in Nantong. So before we begin, let me change my outfit. Do you like my hat? Have you ever heard about the Hat Museum? Let's go and see.说到刺绣，我就联想到了丝绸之路；说到丝绸之路，我就联想到了我的家乡意大利。Today, I finally have the opportunity to truly witness this ancient skill. 哇，太漂亮了！我一定要拍张视频发给我的意大利朋友。
我的感觉呢？
确实感觉很解压的，很放松。This is our last stop for today's museum walk, Nantong Museum. This is the statue of Zhang Jie, the founder of this museum.
那我们在这个中间看到有标识的时候，要考证色彩。
看得出来，这么精美的分阵，它肯定背后有一个非常难的一个工艺啊。那我们要不就放这个风筝吧 ，Let's go！ This museum walk allowed me to delve into the uniqueness of Nantong City. This distinctiveness is an indescribable beauty. 一切美，不如亲眼所见。